specifically for you. So I'm going to create header. I'm not going to use Emet here, but I will send you the video where I use Emet, the shortcut. Okay, so although I'm using Emet, this is Emet, but I'm not going to use the advanced one. So, but I will send you the video that contains the advanced one. So dot header. Okay, so let's do this. Then I'm going to do H1 that contains the logo. Okay, the logo, then the contents, what will be in the middle, the content, logo. I'm using Emet, but not the advanced one, because I could have done this on just one line, but I will try and so that you can better understand logo. Then I will create a nav for nav bar, a nav dots, nav, class of nav. Okay, so nested inside the nav is your unordered list, okay, which I will call a class of parents underscore list. Okay, so nested inside of that UL is your li of class, let me call it nav list class, nav list. Okay, now because I want this thing to come like 4 times, okay, so I'm going to do like this, nav list. So put this and put an anchor tag of nav link, that's the class name, nav link. So I close it. Okay, so I want it to appear 4 times, times 4. Okay, so I click enter. So you can see it. You can see what we have. This one right here will give us the header. So I'm going to put a comment for you to see that this is what? Header. This is header section. So that's the header. So I'm going to end the comment here and say end of header. Okay, so I will now move to the main body. Okay, so main body. Okay, so main body is where I'm going to now. So I'm going to use main elements, main dot main, that's the class. Okay, so inside it I'm going to have two section, but mainly I just want you dots section, a section, I want it to be 2. Okay, let's put $sign, let's say 2. Let's see what it gives us. So you can see I have section 1, section 2, but the assignment say at least one section, so I may not need the second one. I might comment it out, but let's just make use of this section. Okay, so rather I would have put this one. Okay, this section 1. Okay, let's just make use of it. So inside section 1 I'm going to have a background image, just like what I did for you. I'm going to have a title and a paragraph and background image. So let me just have h1 dot title and siblings paragraph. Okay, click enter, you can see it. So I will pause here and continue in the next video.